lots of broken window glass, car window glass. So that tells me that there's been a lot of... Now we're at the Arch. St. Louis Arch. Look at that. Way over there. It's our first time being here together.
Yep. This is my third time.
Her third time.
And your second
My
time.
second time.
And then this is
I
our
came
first
here,
time.
I don't know, a year and a half ago maybe.
Yeah, when you
for
just
work.
got off for work, yeah.
We have a facility in St. Louis and we came here after work before heading back home. So this is our first time here together. It's romantic. Aww. And look, we both changed our clothes just to come for this video. So thank you for continuing on our adventure. And because we changed clothes, it looks like it was a different day than going to Cahokia Mounds, which was like half an hour ago.
You just said.
And the park around the area is really pretty. I see the bridge over there. But yeah, lots of green grass. Beautiful open spaces. There's a pond over there. Got the Mississippi River over here. Someone's taking a nice romantic horsey ride down there. Past the helicopter. Looking at the Mississippi River and the bridge. Beautiful. So nice. Well, we were going to go up in the Arch, but all the tickets were sold out through the whole month. And this is only July 2nd. So it's sold out for at least 4 weeks from now.
But it's okay. We're not planning to come in here, so we just try to buy the ticket.
We just thought we'd try it last second.
Yeah.
So if you're planning a trip, make sure to go online and buy tickets in advance.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
Get some overpriced lemonade, $5 lemonade, $3.50 for a hot dog. But it's good, right, honey?
So fresh.
In the shadow of the Arch. Right over there. Right by the Arch is the old cathedral. That's a nice picture. And we wanted to come over to the old cathedral, but it closes at 2 o'clock. I'm so disappointed because it's 3 o'clock right now. We got here right at 2 o'clock, so we just missed it. But I would have loved to have gone inside here. And there's the St. Louis Arch, the old cathedral. Got the old courthouse right here on Dred Scott Street. So if you know your history, you'll know that Dred Scott was a famous court decision. So this courthouse is famous for the Dred Scott decision. So Dred and Harriet Scott filed suit for their freedom at this courthouse in 1846 and went all the way to the Supreme Court. And this is one of the causes that led to the Civil War and the 13th and 14th and 15th Amendments to the Constitution. This is the doorway to the old courthouse. They're closed due to COVID. Oh, look at this. Nice big sturdy door they have here. Beautiful. From the steps of the courthouse, you have a great view of the Arch. Parking areas around the Arch have lots of broken window glass, car window glass. So that tells me that there's been a lot of break-ins here. So be careful where you park, because your cars might not be safe.